My name's Peter. The guy stood 2 metres to my left is Andy. Say hello, Andy.
Hello, Andy.
So Vauxhall have kindly loaned us these Vauxhall no, it's not an Vivaro.
Vivaro-e.
Vivaro-e. Easy.
What's wrong with you? We'll be here all day. We came across a charity called Tools with a Mission. They refurb old rusty tools and send them to countries that need them. Vauxhall have kindly partnered up with us and lent us their Vivaro-e van.
I'm going to go and meet the volunteers for TWAM. You're going to go and find some tools, and then we'll meet up halfway and charge.
I'll see you there.
See you there.
Excuse me, mate. Collecting tools for a charity. Haven't got any spare ones knocking about, have you?
There's a toolbox at the bottom of the ladder, mate. Help yourself.
Can't wait. Let's have a look at these.
This is my first go on an electric van. It's really quiet. When you first start it up, you can't hear anything. So you're like checking, is it on? And also, this is a big one. I've had a Vauxhall Vivaro before, a diesel one, and the electric version is more expensive, but the government are giving you incentives to buy one because obviously they want you to be using cleaner, greener vehicles with less emissions. So if there was a tradesman watching this now and they wanted to donate some tools to you, how would they go about finding you?
The best thing is to contact the TWAM office, and then they can direct to either one of our local collectors, because we got them all up and down the country, or there might be a builder's merchant or somebody else who's running a special campaign for us, and we can put you in touch with that and you can donate the tools in that direction.
I'm here at my mate Tim's yard. He'll have got some old tools for us. Help, Tim. Have you got anything that I could have?
I've got some bits in here. Just have it.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Cheers, Tim. See you later, pal.
And obviously, rather than just getting rid of them, it's nice to put them to use, get them refurbished and give them to someone who really needs them.
It's no good training somebody to be a carpenter or a builder or whatever if you don't give that person the tools to do the job.
I reckon they've got some gear in here for us.
Oh, he's not any good.
Brilliant, mate. Thank you. Just pop them in there, mate, for us. That'd be great.
Oh, he's on the back. You can have a look at those. You can have those.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Pretty little haul. Cheers, mate. Thanks a lot.
And I'm going to take your tools now to TWAM to get refurbished, and I'll let you know how we get on. And thanks for all your hard work.
Okay, well I hope you could find them very useful.
Hello, pally. All right?
Yeah, good news.
How many miles you got left on yours?
101. How many have you got?
134.
Well, how come you've got 134 and I've only got 101 and it's the same van?
Because you're carrying a bit more weight than me, if you know what I'm saying.
What? I'm carrying more weight than you?
No road tax, which is good, and then if you're working in London, no congestion charge if you're driving one of these vans.
Yeah.
I've just caught up with you. I'm sticking it in power mode. I'm going to overtake you.
I'm following them. That's Pete.
I've done it.
Oh, I swerved in front.
He does not look happy. Right, I'll see you at the services, mate. We'll get some lunch.
All right, pal. See you there. Got all these. Going to be great, isn't it?
It's better, Nick, than some of the tools you use at the minute, isn't it?
In fact, that is mine. Put these back in and we'll go and get some dinner. In the next episode, we're heading to Ipswich to meet Tools with a Mission. They're also going to show us how to refurb old rusty tools, and we're going to surprise them by donating the tools that we've collected.